Think!
Jambol. Try mo jambol.
Batasay and Justin. First ball, nakuha ng Gray. Conche to Garcia. Garcia, pinasa kay Kenshin. Kenshin, binigay kay Matilok. Matilok, tumira, wala. Matilok pa rin. Nakuha ng Conche ang rebound. Conche against Matilok. Matilok ay coach to Pagayo. Natapik, nakuha ni Garcia. Patingting na tira, 2 points. Pagaling against 2 Gray. Matilok, tumira, wala. Banjo to Conche. Conche against Matilok. To Garcia. Garcia slice in the middle. Binigay kay Pagayon, 2 points. Gana. JC. Umatake. Tumira. Easy 2 points. Binabayan pala, hindi pala easy. Binabayan. Garcia to Breeze. Breeze. 10 to 2. Pagayon, Tumira. May foul. Larantay. Foul Marlon. Paharillo. Ang score po natin ay 4-2. Lamang ang Great.
Akala ko lumang apor eh.
First team foul, first personal foul ni Pajarillo. Pagayon, first throw. Wala.
Lon, sa iyara pa.
Pangalawang score. Wala pa rin, di ba? Pagaling. Pagaling against Conche. Conche, pinababa ang bola. Binigay kay Jangat Sumirada 2 points.
Baba na.
Please, pinapatay na Matilok. Binigay kay Garcia, nabitaw ang bola. Mapupunta ang possession sa white team. Time remaining 8 minutes and 15 seconds for this first quarter. We are on time at 4. Bola ng white team. Casey. Binababa ang bola ng white shirt. Casey pa rin sa gitna. Binigay kay Paharillo. Paharillo fire sa 2. Wala. Rebound ang Conche. Nasubutan ni Pagaling. Pagaling against Conche. Nakuha ni Cruz ang bola. Binigay kay Garcia. It's 2 against 2. Garcia against Casey. Garcia. Pass to Basilio. Basilio no. Rebound. Matilok, binigay kay Casey. Binigay kay Jangat. Jangat face. Pinasa. Hindi na kuha ang bola. Bola ng Great Team. 7 minutes and 33 seconds. All 4 po tayo. All 4. Conche. To Garcia. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Breeze. Breeze to Conche. Conche. Face. May foul against Matilok, number 9. Second team foul ng white team. Garcia. Naagawan? Hindi. Same ball po tayo. Gray ball. 9 to shoot ang Great Team. 9 to shoot. Breeze sa ilalim kay Pagayon, tumira, wala. Pagayon pa rin yung ball. Conche, binigay kay Garcia. Garcia kumahan, pasok. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Paharillo, to Pagaling. Pagaling, back to Paharillo. Tugat sa 16 shooter, pasok. Banjo Breeze on the ball. All 6 po tayo. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Banjo Breeze to Conche. Conche fires. No rebound Pagayon. Pagayon, Pasok. Paharilyo. Tugana. Lamang ng dalawa. 8-6. It's white ball. Ay, gray ball daw, gray ball. Sorry. Akin. Dasilio para sa inbound. Binigay kay Brice to Garcia, pag-ibig, patay ang lizard. Casey bringing down the ball to the white shirt. Casey nag-deliver attack, drop pass to Paharilyo para niya kapos ang tira. Paharilyo, may foul na naman siya. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Sub.
Substitution,
Masabi.
Levy in, Paharilyo out. 5 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Breeze files the two, no rebound, steal, bola. Gray ball. May tama, gray ball daw.
Depensa.
Breeze against Matilo. Binigay kay Garcia. Garcia to Dasilio. Garcia fires, no rebound. Conte. Tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Matilo ang bola. Balong. Pagayon, nakuha ang loose ball. Pagayon, kanino kaya bibigay? Pagayon, nakuha ni Casey ang loose ball. Casey, is 4 against 1. Casey, lays it up. Easy 2 points. Pagayon ang Conche. To Garcia, to Conche. Easy 2 points. Score natin, 10-8. Lamang ang green ng dalawa. Binigay kay Levi Salon. Kanina binigay kay Gana. JC. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. JC, black, but brings the foul. Foul, Conche. Brady. JC's first throw. No. Second free throw for JC. Wala pa. JC still no. Rebound.
Bola.
Pagayon, fire, pasok. Pagaling, 2 points. Remaining time, 4 minutes, sarado. Lamang ng dalawang gray. Banjo Breeze, bringing down the ball. 15 to shoot for the gray team.
Lalim.
Breeze pa rin, may kalang bola, binigay kay Garcia. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
3.
Bola ng white team. Ang score natin, 12-10. Levi Salon sa gitna, tumira, padingding, pasok. We're tied at 12. Bola ng gray, Barok, to Ernie. 50 to shoot for the gray team.
Lalim.
10 to shoot.
Merber.
Lamang ng dalawang gray with 3 minutes sarado sa ating first quarter. Dahil to Levi, 50 to shoot. Garcia against Casey. 15 to shoot.
Ano kayo?
Oy, nakuha ng bola. 2 against 1.
Hila! Ay, tumagay ko na.
Nakagaw ng Gray. Breeze. Binigay kay Basilio. Nakuha ni Casey ng bola.
Tatlo!
It's 3 against 2.
Igasa mo!
Wala.
Ay, ako lang. Alat na lang. Salama!
Basilio to
Lalim!
up. Bola. Tumama sa ulo ni Banjo Breeze. Mapupunta ang bola sa white team. Lamang lang ang dalawang Gray. With 2.2 seconds remaining. Wala timeout ang Gray. Substitution. Pasok.
Ano oras?
2.2 seconds. 2 minutes and 2 seconds.
Pag pumasok yung ano ah. Pag pumasok yung sa kalaban.
Bagay. Bagay. To Casey. 12 to shoot.
Nice!
Matilok. Green. Lumamang na doon ang bigla ng isa. Ang white team. 1 minute and 37 seconds. 15 to shoot for the gray team. 10 to shoot. Boy Barret. Binigay kay Conche. Conche.
Time out, time out, time out, time out.
Gangat against Conche. Gangat para sa 3. Rebound. Nakuha ni Breeze. Breeze against Matilok. Last touch by Pagano. Time out.
Nasa kanila pala.
Score 16-15 in favor of the Gray team. 40 to shoot for the Gray team. 14 to shoot. Boy Barret to Banjo Breeze. Walang rebound. Nakuha ni Basilio for the 22. Lamang ng tatlong Gray team. 18-15. 45 seconds left. 15 to shoot. To Levy. To Balong. My foul. Again, Boy Barret. First personal foul. 37.6 seconds. 14 to shoot for the white shirt. 14 to shoot. Boy Barret, binigay kay Conte. Conte fires. Shooters foul. 25 seconds to shoot. Ay, remaining. 20 seconds. My foul against Pagayo. Remaining time, 7.6 seconds. Lamang ng 5 ang Gray team, 20-15. First throw ni JC. Wala pa rin. Alat ang asin. 7.6 seconds remaining. 7 seconds. Foul. Boy Matilok. Wala pang penalty. 5.7 seconds remaining. End of the first. Bola ng white team. Era po, pumasok na po si Boy Baria. Boy Baria. Ang kanyang anting-anting. JC. Step back. Binigay kay Simo. Simo nakagaw. Simo. Subumbay. Tuboy. Fires 3, JC 3. The score natin 22-19. Tatlong lang po lamang ng Grady. Garcia, 15 to shoot. Pagaling Cerise Rodens, Conche, easy 2 point. Isa na lang po. Dalawa na lang po lamang ng Grady. Conche, binigay kay Bombay. Bombay po Pagayon. Pagayon Page, binigay kay Garcia. Garcia, pinasa sa kawalan. Bola ng white team. Nathaniel Eugenio, bringing down the ball with the right foot. Binigay kay number 11, Gutierrez, 15 to shoot for the white shirt. Simo at Casey. 10 to shoot. Casey lumayap, walang rebound. Napunta kay Gutierrez for the putback. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Conche. Tumira, wala rebound Pagaling. Pagaling to Eugenio. Eugenio. To the Ducks. Umiwas. Bola lemah. Timeout. Grady.
Pagayon sa Garcia. Garcia, wala.
Wala.
Pinatpak sa
Hoy, same ball. Tumama sa tuhod ni Casillo. Ang bola. Bola pa rin ng white shirt. With 20 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds to shoot. Nathaniel. 15 to shoot for the white shirt. Nathaniel fires dia. Bang! 3 points by Nathaniel. Conche, 15 to shoot for the Grady. To Dasilio. Dasilio back to Conche. 10 to shoot. Pagayon, fires to 3, no rebound. Casey, pass break to Balong Ganat. Balong to number 11. Easy 2. Bola ng white team. Lamang na po ng 4 ang white team. Garcia with the ball. Signal sa play. Garcia fires behind the no. Nakuha ni Pagayon ng bola. Pagayon, blocked by number 11, but there is a foul. Substitution rep. Boy Barrett in. Who's out? Boy Barrett out.
Foul.
First throw ni Pagayon, wala. Second throw, pasok yan para kay Pagayon. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Nathaniel to Balong. Balong fire. Napunta kay napunta kay Simon ang bola. Simon to Pagaling. Pagaling umatake sa gilid. Patingting na tira. Pasok. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Jorge, umatake. Binigay kay Garcia. Garcia, bumukot. Pasok. 6 minutes for 23 seconds. The ball will stay to the white shirt. Substitution rep. Breeze in, Pagayon out. Levy Gutierrez out. 18 to shoot for the white team. 18 to shoot. 15. Oh, nakatigang bola palabas. 13 to shoot ang white team. 13 to shoot. Nakuha ng rating ng bola. Breeze. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Dasilio ang bola. Dasilio umikot. Kumaliwa. Wala. Garcia. Putback. Pasok. Pasok yan kay JP Pagales. 5 minutes for 39 seconds. Conche to Breeze. Breeze against Pagales. Dasilio. Fires to 2. No. Patay ang Lizard. Binigay kay Balong. Balong mix 2 against 1. Balong 2 point. 5 minutes and 22 seconds.
Wala nang timeout. Dre, wala nang timeout.
Score 33-27. 15 to shoot. Garcia sa gitna. Naagawan ng bola. Pagaling. It's 3 against 2. To Balong. Back to Pagaling. Foul. Against number 6. Substitution rep. Garcia out. Who's in?
Pasok, hagba.
Boy Barria in. 15 to shoot ang white shirt. 15 to shoot. Ten to shoot. JC fires a 3. Shooter's foul. JC 3. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Time remaining. 36-27 ang score. Dasilio. Nagano ka pang pasan. Binigay kay Boy Barria. Boy Barria pagpukol. Wala. Rebound. Conche. Conche. Pinilit ang tira. Conche pa rin. May foul. And 1. Number 2. Pagkain. First personal foul.
Anytime. 4 minutes.
Remaining time. 4 minutes and 25 seconds.
Hello. Yung magulo.
Conche for the bonus free throw. JP Sumakasa, Tumira, pasok yan para kay JP. 4 minutes and 15.
Lambanero.
Bola ng Gray. Gray against Eugenio. Nakuha ni Boy Barret. Boy Barret. 3 seconds violation against substitution. Pagayon in. Dasilio out. Remaining time. 4 minutes, 42 seconds. 38-29 ang ating score. Binigay kay Simo. Simo to Levy. Levy Salon. Fires. No. Rebound. Conche. Against Boy Barret. Simo against Boy Barret. Boy Barret to Conche. Conche to Boy Barria. Boy Barria. Easy to. Time remaining 3 and 35 seconds. Pagaling. Pump. Fix.
15.
Binigay kay Simo. 15 to shoot. Simo fires to 3. Uses the glass. 3 points. 3 minutes and 17 seconds.
Ganda ng itino ba?
10. Konti.
10-point lead for the white shirt. Breeze, 15 to shoot for the gray team. Breeze, nasundutan sa likod.
12 to shoot.
12 to shoot ang gray team. Binigay kay Boy Barret. 10 to shoot. Pagayon, tumira, wala, rebound. Oy, nasundutan ni Breeze sa likod. To Conche, Conche, pumirsa, wala. Levy. Levy, anong gagawin? Tumira, wala, rebound, nakuha ni Balong. 2 point. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Bola ng gray team. Boy Barret, dinamatan bola. Binigay kay Breeze. Breeze, 15 to shoot against the red team. 10 to shoot. Oy, masyadong matasan-tasan. Bola ng white team. 2 minutes and 20, remaining time.
Running time ha. Running time out, please.
JC, fires, no, rebound Levy. Levy fouls up, wala. Nakuha ni Pagayon. Pagayon, binigay kay Conche. Conche, against Simok. Simok, to Boy Baria. Boy Baria from the goal. Pasok yan kay Boy Baria. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Nakarami ka na.
Casey, to Levy. Levy Salon. To Pagayon, but there's a foul against Conche.
Uy, Barya, nakakarami ka
Second.
na.
Second team foul, second personal foul. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Bola ng white. 14 to shoot, ang white pala. Eugenio, fires a three. Eugenio, three! 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time. Bola ng gray team. 13 point, 15 to shoot ang gray team. Breeze, 10 to shoot. Breeze pa rin with the ball. Binigyan na naman sa wala. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time sa ating second quarter. 13-point lead for the white shirt. Bola ng white team. Casey bringing down the ball for the white team. Casey. 50 to shoot for the white team. Casey. Pagduwi, mga susunod. Bola ng gray. Napunta kay Conche. Conche against Levy. May foul. Levy. First personal foul. 46.7 seconds. Time remaining.
Time out. Kaya na, bigyan yung bola.
Okay, amen. First throw ni Conche. Wale.
Shoot, time out kayo.
Second free throw para kay Conche. Pasok. Timeout. White team.
Yummy. Malapit siya.
Bola ng white team with 46.7 seconds remaining. Okay. Casey, the ball. 15 to shoot. Casey, binigay kay Balong. Balong tumira. May foul against Boy Barry, number 11. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws will be given to JC. JC. First throw. Tapos. 33.2 seconds remaining time. 33.2 seconds. JC again. Second throw. No. Lapatikan. Boy Barrett, moving at 2 points. 23 seconds. 15 seconds. 13.8 seconds remaining time. 13.8. Eugenio pass, no. Tapos na ang ating pangalawang yuto. Score. Binigay kay Coche. Tumira, pasok.
Jer, papansin ka naman sa vlog. Huwag ka papansin dyan, naka-vlog din.
Casey. Tumira rin. Wala. Rebound, Matilok. Matilok. Binigay kay Nathaniel. Back to Matilok. Matilok. Fire.
Wow!
Matilok. 2 points.
Jer, ano yung mga to? Tayo ka.
Bola ng Brady. Banjo Breeze. Bringing down the ball for the Blazers. 15 to shoot. Garcia. Umatake. Lumayat. Wala. Natapik ni Matilok ang bola palabas. Ball will stay to the Brady with only 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot for the Brady. Remaining 9 minutes, 0.8 seconds. Bola natapik. Binigay kay Matilok. Ang Matilok, ang mamadali. Anong gagawin Matilok? Easy to ball. Sampu na naman po ulit ang kalamangan ng white team. Sampu na naman ulit. Ayan po, gumagana na naman si Boy Matilok. Ball on Gray, Breeze. Binigay kay 15 to shoot. Dasilio, wala. Rebound Pagaling. Pagaling pa rin, sinusundutan. Pagaling. Pagaling pa rin. Pagaling pa rin. 8 seconds violation.
Rep! Rep!
Hop, hop,
Okay.
wait! Bakit?
Breeze. Mag-dribble.
Baksak!
10 seconds, Pagaling pace. Dribbles. Para sa
Baba na! Baba na! Huwag niyo labangan dyan!
bola ng Brady. Estong, sumalaksak, tumira, tutuloy. Halin na lang po ng white shirt. Pagaling, Pagaling, attack. Wala ang tira. Conche, Conche, sinusundutan ni Boy Matilok. Conche, may foul against
Tilok.
Boy Matilok. Third personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 43 seconds. Side ball inbound tayo para sa Grey Team. With only 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Pagayon, tumira, wala, rebound, Boy Matilok. Binigay kay JC, 9%. Garcia, tumira. Offensive foul, sabi ni Red. Against Garcia. Remaining second personal foul. To Pagaling. Pagaling against Pagayon. 10 to shoot. Paharilio pa. Take the shot. No. Rebound Conche. Conche to Pagayon. Pagayon against Pagaling. Pagaling to Garcia. Garcia to Dasilio. Dasilio. Kumaliwa. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Boy Matilok. Binigay kay JC. It's 2 against 1. JC. Tumira. 2 points. 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Dasilio. To Garcia. Garcia against Boy Matilok. 50 to shoot. Garcia. Patinilig na tira. Pasok. 6 and 40. Same ball tayo. White ball. 15 seconds para sa mga white shirt. 15 seconds to shoot. Remaining time, 6 and 24 seconds. Eugenio fires, no air ball. Nakuha ni Chris ang bola. Nakapigan. Nakuha ni Parillo. Against Jangat. Balong. minutes, good time.
Shot clock naman ang
Okay. Conche, 2 points. Nabitawan ng bola ng JC.
Tama po sila.
Ayan na po, pumasok na po si Diplas, number 10.
Sige, mamaya na.
Breeze.
10.
10 shoot. Garcia wala. Douglas. Binigay kay Garcia. 10 shoot again. Garcia wala. Rebound. Pass 3 points. Easy to point for Garcia. 5 minutes, 14 seconds. Bola ng Gray. Garcia against Nathaniel. Garcia. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Pasok pa rin. Boy Manilo. Naggamit ng oras. 15 to shoot for the white shirts. 15 to shoot. Gana. Tumira. Bumali sa ere. Nakapay. 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Bali please. Binigay kay Garcia. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot para sa Gray.
Three. Two. Counted.
Basket is good. Bola ng white team. Score natin, 58-52. Pasok yan kay JC. 4 minutes, 0.2 seconds. Nakuha na Boy Matino ng bola. Three point 33 seconds. Tumalaw. Easy to. Bumalik ka naman po sa 10 ang Kalamangan. Garcia, easy to balik.
Landed ball.
3.17 seconds. Tupagali. Balong tumira, may foul sa likod. Again sa Boy Barik. Boy Barik, third personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 0.8 seconds.
Wala.
2 free throws para kay JC.
Labas. Ayun na,
Okay na, pasok na.
Ayun na.
Okay. Two free throws para kay JC. Unang tira pa lang yun, wala pang rebound. Unang tira pa lang. Dalawang tira po yan, hindi yan bonus.
Dalawa uli.
Two free throws po yan. Second free throw for JC. Rebound, nakuha ni tumama kay Boy Barik ang bola dahil sa kagagawan ni Boy Matilok.
Oras.
Oras po natin nilalalabi, 3.4 seconds. 10 point lead for the white team. Binigay kay Nathaniel. Nathaniel to Gutierrez. Natapal sa likod. Gutierrez. Binigay kay Boy Barik. Boy Barik, 2 point. 2.50 seconds. 2 minutes, 47 seconds.
5-6.
Pasok yan para kay Jasilio. Bola ng white. 56-62. Lamang na ng ang white shirt. Balong, 2 points. Breeze against Nathaniel. Oy, by foul. Boy Matinok. Fourth personal foul. Subs.
Sab.
Kenshin in. Sino papalitan ni Kenshin? Matinok out. Dalawang free throw kay Boy Barrett. Unang hagis. Walay.
Wala, double zero. Error.
Error. Free throw pa rin. Sige. Boy Barrett. Wala pa rin. 2 minutes, 0.3 seconds remaining. 2 minutes, 0.3 seconds.
2 minutes and 3 seconds.
Ay, nabitawan ni Jim Keres ang bola. May iiyak ang bola, may iiyak. Bola ng great team. Oy, nakuha ni si Mo ang bola. To GC. To Pagaling. Pagaling, hanggang. Gutierrez, 2 points. 1 minute and 40. Sampu na naman ang laman ng red team.
Sige. Offside ball.
Two points kay JC. 1 minute and 22.
Score?
Ponce.
Mali-mali ata yung score.
Against Dax. Tapos ang tira. Kenshin. Nakuha ang rebound. Binigay kay JC. JC against Pagayan. JC pa rin. 50 to shoot. Up. Andali lang. Nyala ano? Remaining time, 59 seconds. To Breeze.
Baka sa dulo
Breeze.
yan.
Against Kenshin. Breeze pa rin. Drop pass. May foul. Against JC. 45 seconds. Second team foul.
14 to shoot ha.
40 to shoot, 43. Binigay niya yung Pagayon. 10 to shoot. Foul. Bangga Breeze.
Tumigas lang.
Time remaining, 31.3 seconds.
13 pound.
13 foul. 31.3 seconds. Two free throws para kay Casey. Unang pukol. Yun. Pasok. Nothing but the bottom.
Bas. Malum nga ka sa'yo.
Wala na ko. 71 lang ha.
Second free throw. Pasok na naman. 72-50. Bola ng Gray.
22.
22. 15.
5 to shoot.
Eh,
Wala. Wala na.
bola ng Gray team. Bola ng Gray.
Sa akin. Utang mo sa bahay para makita. Sa akin yata. Ito mo sabi ko. Sa akin.
Okay.
Balak namin doon.
Ay, bola pala ng Mike. Father. Kenshin.
Pinagdag namin.
For the white shirt. Kenshin to GT. GT. Panatanya, dia fires, no. Rebound, Ponce. Conche na kamadali. It's 3 against 4. Conche pa rin. 15 to shoot. To Banjo Breeze. To Dasilio. Dasilio to Boy Barek. 10 to shoot. Boy Barek tumira. Pasok yan.
Paano
Pasok
pumasok
Boy
yun?
Barek.
Oh, representative na.
Bola ng white team. Nathaniel brings down the ball. Oh. Backcourt violation by Nathaniel. 72-60 ang ating score. Lamang 12 ang white team. Bola ng gray. Breeze. Signal sa play. Binigay kay Garcia. Garcia. Bumomba. Bumake. Tumira. Pasok yan para kay Garcia. White ball tayo. Gutierrez. Binaba ang bola. Binigay kay Levi Salon. Levi Salon. Levi Salon pa rin. Binigay kay Kenshi. 10 to shoot for the white shirt. Kenshi. Pumersa. Binigay kay Nathaniel. Diyan fires. No. Rebound. Paggaling. Paggaling. Dumiyak. Wala. Rebound. Paggaling pa rin. To the footback. 74-62 score. 8 minutes and 32 seconds. Conche. Hoy! Hindi na-anticipate ang bola ni Boy Barek. Napunta po ang bola sa white team. Nathaniel to Kenshi. Kenshi. Kenshi attack. Tumira, may block. 15 to shoot for the white shirt. 15 to shoot. Substitution rep. Pagayonin. Goes out. Dasilio out. 15 to shoot for the gray team. Ay, white team. 15 to shoot. Eugenio. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 10 to shoot ulit. 5. Kenshi for 2. 7 minutes and 48 seconds. Conche. Against Pagaling. Conche at Apikan. Binigay kay Garcia. 50 to shoot. Garcia fires. No. Rebound Kenshi. Gutierrez, 2 points. 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Bola ng gray.
Tama yan.
50 to shoot. Conche, fires for 2.
64 na.
64-78 ang ating score. Bola ng white. Nathaniel, 50 to shoot sa white team. To Levi, Franzuela. Ay, Franzuela tuloy. 10 to shoot. Levi. 5 to shoot. JP versus Boy Barek. Pasok para kay Stone. 6 minutes and 39 seconds.
Sapa ka? Brad.
12 point lead.
50 to shoot para sa white team. 10 to shoot.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Black foul against number 11.
Jab, jab, jab.
Boy Barek out, Douglas King. Bola ng gray, indicating ay
10 point.
ay 2. Akap shooting daw yun, akap shooting. 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 10 point lead, 78-68. Garcia, unang pukul, wala. Garcia, second try, no. Kenshin for the rebound. Casey, natatingad sa likod. Same ball tayo. White ball. 6 minutes and 7 seconds. To Levy. Levy.
Camera dito.
Levy. 50 to shoot. To Casey. 10 to shoot. Jangat 5 million. Wala rebound Levy. To paggaling for Casey 2.
Bat. Bats pa to?
5 and 44.
Masa mo ito Susi na ba to?
Blast. Wala. Hindi nakatakbo. Gracie. Ang score 80-68 in favor of the white team.
Idol Ricky.
5 minutes, 38 seconds. Remaining time. Bola po ng white team. Levy po. Levy po. To Nathaniel. Nathaniel back to Levy po. 10 to shoot. That's wala ang tira. Lumagpas. Koche. For the dribble. Koche against the two. 15 to shoot for the blue team. Binigay kay Jana. Jana against the black. Jana. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Koche. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Koche. Nagmamadali. Nakuha ni Dasilio. Dasilio. Binigay kay Garcia. Beyond the umpires. No. Rebound pagaling. Nasundutan yung Bristol dito. Garcia po eh. Novia. 2 points. 4 minutes and 40. Balyo please, nakalite. Magaling. 80-72.
Oh, walo na lang, walo.
80-72. Ten to shoot. Magaling. Nakuha ang rebound. Tumira ng dos. Pasok. Sarado. 4 minutes. Douglas. Garcia, 50 to shoot. Garcia, wala. 10 to shoot. Garcia pa rin, wala pa rin. Dasilio. Pasok ang kanyang putback.
Boss B!
3 minutes and 37 seconds. Three minutes and 30. Douglas. Pasok. Matik.
6 lang, 6!
Pagka-shoot.
2 points kay Casey. Great one on great team. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Dasilio pa rin. Rebound, nakuha ni JC. JC against Conche. Nabitawan ng bola. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Bola ng great team. Breeze pa rin. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Levy po. JC. Para sa white team. Nathaniel 5 to 3. Shooter's down. Nathaniel 3. 2 minutes and 25. 50 to shoot. Pagayon, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound Casey. Casey against Conche. Tubalong. Tumira ng 2. Pasok na yan. Pao, Lady po, number 5. Remaining time, 2 minutes, 0.1 seconds.
Galaw doon sa Larek, dahil magulo rito. Warning mga dito sa kanan.
2 free throws para kay Basilio. Stomach in, stomach out. Wala. Basilio pa rin. Pasok. Last 2 minutes. Lady po. 8 seconds violation. Mapupunta ang possession sa great team. 1 minute and 54 seconds. 1 minute and 54. 12.8 for the white shirt. 12.8. Pagayon, attacks. Tumira na wala. Pagayon pa rin. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Solskjaer bola. 10 to shoot. One minute and 39. One minute and 32. Pagayon. To Boy Barik. Easy to boy.
Oras.
1 minute 24. Pagaling against Breeze. My Pao against Breeze. Number 4.
Hoy, ayos mo. Score mo.
Ang score, 92-79.
Kaya mo.
2 free throws para kay
Gandaan mo
Joel
sulat.
Pagaling.
Bakit ang sulat mo?
Second, pinadingding na lang. Pinatik niya rin. 2 points pa rin at Pagaling. Bola ng Gray, 1 minute and 10. Boy Barek, 2. Stomach in, stomach out. Wala pa rin. Boy Barek, wala pa rin. 58 seconds. JC fires, no. Rebound. JP, put back. Pasok. 48 seconds. Wala. 36 seconds. Kenzie, Lumaya, wala. Magaling, rebound. Magaling to JC. 10 to shoot. JC Viandia, fires, no. Rebound. Boy Barek. 20 seconds. Pinagin sa nakabola palabas. 16.3 seconds. Concede. Concede na pala, concede.
Score.
96-79.